So on the basis of metameres, animals are further classified into the animals that are having metameres and those are not having metameres. First of all, what is metameres? So metameres means segments. Metamerism. So here the classification is based on metamerism. Now what is metamerism? Metamerism means the arrangement of body. The arrangement of body into linear segments is called as metamerism. Arrangement of body into linear segments. Now these linear segment is not important that it should be same. It can be different also. Suppose we are having a example. This is a earthworm and this type of segments or parts are present. जिसके animals की body में parts या segment present होते हैं. तो इस तरह के segment present होते हैं. Here we can say it is a earthworm. It is an earthworm. So इसकी body में कई segments होते हैं. These are called as segments. And these segments are called as metameres when they help in locomotion. Now what is locomotion? Locomotion means movement of body from one place to another. That is called as locomotion. So there is a difference between segmentation and metamerism. Segmentation is, we can say it involves only ectodermal tissues, but metameres involve the endodermal tissues also that helps the organism to crawl. See, so these segments are called as metameres. These metameres are also called as somites. Somites or somite. And this whole process, these all metameres group together to form the process that is called as metameres. Now this metameres is of three types. मेटामियर्स की बात करें तो मेटामियर्स ये मेटामेरिज प्रोसेस है, ये थ्री टाइप्स के, मतलब कि जो एनिमल्स की बॉडी होती है उसमें सेगमेंट्स जो होते हैं वो तीन तरह से प्रेजेंट होते हैं. फर्स्ट होता है कि दीज सेगमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड ऑल्सो एंड दे आर प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड ऑल्सो. मीन्स इंटरनली भी सेगमेंट्स प्रेजेंट है एंड एक्सटर्नली ऑल्सो सेगमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट. तो दिस फॉर दिस एग्जाम्पल कैन बी अर्थवॉर्म. अब हेल्प क्या होती है इन सेगमेंट्स की? ये बॉडी के अंदर जो वेरियस ऑर्गन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं उनको आइडेंटिफाई करने में हेल्प करते हैं ये सेगमेंट्स. नेक्स्ट कुछ एनिमल्स होते हैं जैसे कि कॉकरोच. अब कॉकरोच में क्या होता है? दीज मेटामियर्स आर प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड और वी कैन से एक्सटर्नली दीज मेटामियर्स आर प्रेजेंट बट इंटरनली दीज मेटामियर्स आर एब्सेंट इन द केस ऑफ cockroach. And some of the animals are there like mammals. In the case of mammals come under the category of vertebrates. In case of mammals, these segments are internally present. जैसे कि mammals है, हम लोग के externally the no segments are present, but internally these segments are present. So here earthworm is the example in which metameres are present outside and inside the body. In cockroach, these metameres are present only outside, and in mammals, these metameres are present inside. Externally, these are absent. Now, the next basis of classification is on the basis of notochord, presence of notochord and absence of notochord. If this notochord is present, that type of animals are called as chordates. If this notochord is absent, that type of animals are called as non-chordates. Now first of all you should know that what is notochord. So notochord is an embryonic midline structure. It is an embryonic midline structure. This means that it is present since the baby is there in the womb. Now what happened? This is mesodermally derived. This is mesodermally derived. Next, it is a tube-like structure. किस तरह का structure है? Tube-like structure है. Tube-like structure that is present dorsal. That is present at the dorsal side. सी आगे को कहते हैं वेंट्रल एंड बैक साइड इज कॉल्ड ए डॉर्सल। तो डॉर्सल साइड पे ट्यूब लाइक छोटा सा स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट होता है, उसको कहते हैं नोटोकॉर्ड। नाउ दिस नोटोकॉर्ड जिन एनिमल्स में प्रेजेंट है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉर्डेट्स। In the animals where this is absent that are called as non-chordates. Now these chordates are of three types. Chordates are of three types. Urochordates, cephalochordates, and vertebrates. Now what are urochordates? Urochordates are the animals in which this notochord is present at the time of embryonic stage. Embryonic stage में ये notochord present होता है, but as this organism grows or it becomes adult, this notochord get diminished, खत्म हो जाती है, diminished or get over. These are urochordates. Now what happens in cephalochordates? In cephalochordates, it is persistent throughout the life. Persistent throughout the life. Means this notochord is present or till the time of the embryonic stage and it remains throughout the life. Next one is vertebrates. In vertebrates, this notochord is present at the time of embryonic stage. Embryonic stage पे ये notochord present रहती है, but जैसे जैसे ये organism या ये animal adulthood में एंटर करता है, धीरे धीरे जो इसकी बॉडी होती है मैच्योर हो रही होती है, so this notochord get change into bony like structure. It gets changed into bony like structure that is called as vertebrata. Inside vertebrata what is present? Spinal